Hello everyone, I hope you have a good time. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit or insert or get a design on a dress in Adobe Photoshop like this picture. If you see, this picture is original and this design it with me. So you can getting a design from Google Chrome or any browser, just search to design and you can see you have more design from Google picture. Okay, so now let's go starting in the first step, going to the Adobe Photoshop and click open and getting the original picture and going to the file and need to getting the design. For example, I get this design and dropping here and resizing as a biggest size. So now click here to the ace to hiding the design just for a moment. Okay, and click to the at the background and go to the toolbar and get quick selection tool and to make a border. Okay, if you focus, the border is selected all the picture, there's no problem. Just go here and set the minus and get back the border. So now when we make it a border at the dress, we just now press the Ctrl and J from your keyboard. Okay, and come here to the layer list and right click on the or at the layer number 1 and select convert to smart object. Okay, so now go to the filter and go to the blur or blur list and get the JSON blur and click OK, and now save this project just for a moment. Okay, and now you can rename any name, for example 55. So now get down and move the smart filters to the recycle bin, and now go up and click here to showing the design. Okay, and now right click at the design and go to click or create clipping mask. So now go to the filter and go to the desort and go to the displays or displays and click OK and get the saved project 55, and here go to the list normal or filter list and you can get any filter you want. So I used the color burn and my saved picture. So now go to the FX and go to the building option, and now with this line you can just make a design. Okay, for this picture or getting back or removing some planes from this picture or this design. Okay, so click OK and now you can save with a file, save as JPEG from your computer file. So this video has come to end. I hope you loved this video and don't forget like and share for another people's to learning. So subscribe to my channel to see more video in soon time. So thank you for watching and goodbye, see you next time.